Hello everyone, my name is Yuan Abs. I'm the Permanent Secretary for the Ministry of Digital Economy, Science and Technology, Edo State. So today we are continuing conversation on the domestication of the MDEX document, the Nigerian Digital Economy Policy and Strategy document.
So we look at the issues that are currently in that sector or with those policies or with those strategies or regulations. Then we recommend solutions from our own wealth of experience.
Digital industrialization of rural and urban locations through the rapid implementation of smart city infrastructures.
And I believe personally, this coming together, implementing and domesticating this policy document is long overdue. However, Edo has taken the initiative. As a front burner, as always, Edo is looking to domesticate this with our implementing partners, Tech for Dev.
To create a dynamic regulatory environment that accelerates the development of the digital economy and inclusive stakeholder participation.
Now, the availability of data helps people make intelligent decisions.
I think that the workshop is bringing together everybody in the states as stakeholders, from CSOs to NGOs, to MBAs, to industry owners, to even the MSME cluster. I believe it's going to be a robust workshop that will dovetail into the successful implementation of the MDEX document being domesticated in Edo.
My name is Basi Aikabili, CTO of Midtown Tech Hub University. I'm actually thanking the state government for giving us this platform to discuss about the states, how we can move the state's digital economy forward, and also giving us opportunity to express our feelings of the business community in the Edo State. So it's actually a very great opportunity for us to share our concerns and on how to move the state forward. Thank you.